Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labor Day we are clean it up. Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labor Day we are clean it up. Build ramps in schools, busy health centers. For the young and for the elders. Paint the fence, make the place enhance. Access for all to every entrance.
This year, we celebrate 80 years of modern-day activism on the part of Jamaican workers. In 1938, workers from Frome in Westmoreland to Surge Island in St. Thomas in the east, and including notably the port workers of Kingston and the banana workers in St. Mary and Portland, all rose up with one voice to protest the terrible and often subhuman conditions in which they worked and the low wages that were typical of that time. Out of these struggles, the modern trade union movement was formed, and also our modern political parties. Labor Day 2018 provides us once again with an opportunity to recognize and celebrate the tremendous contribution of the workers of Jamaica to national development. It is an established fact that the workers and their trade unions led the drive for Jamaicans to get a livable wage and to establish the basic principles of collective bargaining that over the years have secured benefits that include pension rights, leave with pay, protection against wrongful dismissal. Nor should we forget the drive in the 1970s to secure maternity leave with pay, equal pay for women, and redundancy pay, among other rights. The advocacy of the trade union movement through their political party affiliation also helped establish the National Insurance Scheme, a national minimum wage, and other programs, including expanded access to education. Today, as we celebrate the role of the workers' movement, let us also resolve to protect the gains that have been won for the ordinary Jamaican worker. We must put an end to the fiction of designating workers as independent contractors, which is gaining traction in some industries. This device often denies workers in the various industries, including security guards, their right to collective bargaining and to the benefits that that provides. Also, we must continue to insist that public sector pensions and the national minimum wage keeps pace with the rise in the real cost of living facing the workers today. Labor Day 2018 gives us an opportunity to celebrate the dignity of work by making a contribution to work projects in our various communities. This year's focus is on providing access to members of the disabled community to facilities such as our roads, schools, and our health centers. In this regard, I want to pay particular tribute to Senator Dr. Floyd Morris, whose advocacy secured the focus of this year's Labor Day activities on the needs of the disabled community. We must pay tribute to him for reminding us that disabled persons continue to make a vital contribution to the well-being of our nation, and that we, in turn, have an obligation to secure their dignity and well-being as we build a Jamaica that provides opportunities for all its people. Let us take this opportunity to salute each and every Jamaican who is going out to work in one of the many Labor Day projects organized in our various communities. May all of us have a safe and productive Labor Day as we wish God's continuous blessings on Jamaica and on its people. God bless you all.
Hey! Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labor Day we are clean it up. Ramp it up, fix it up. This Labor Day we are clean it up. Build ramps in schools, busy health centers. For the young and for the elders. Paint the fence, make the place enhance. Access for all to every entrance.